fucking stop sign and said, "See ya." What the fuck is college radio playing? Ray, I'm going, huh?
Or about it, absent of the broken man. There are fights all the time.
Can't see around the fucking snowbanks. God damn it.
That we never hear. You think we hear about every fight? No, in a public place, I'd be surprised. Does Toronto count? I mean, they don't care about American sports the same way we do. I feel like Blake Griffin can walk into a lot of places in Toronto without anyone knowing he's Blake Griffin.
Oh,
Wrong
shit.
about that?
I was waiting to have that much room for this. Fuck. Ain't nowhere to go on the road. Without making songs.
ESPN Radio and ESPN2. The right time with Money Jones.
Crime Watch. Man, they don't have half. All because of that car, I bet you. Yup. That's why they couldn't fucking get the curb. What the hell? He's dug out. They should move that shit. Oh, that's probably spots to park in the townhouses. Damn. That sucks. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. That car's been sitting there with a flat tire for almost a month now. Probably even since before Christmas.
Plug
Bet you that school's closed. Probably because they ain't got nowhere to park. I wonder how many people again had off and didn't have to go to work and shit. Because I went to work yesterday, both jobs. Same thing today. I don't know if it's a problem. Nowhere to park or what.
Blake Griffin broke his left hand, and ESPN's Mike Lewis is reporting the injury was sustained last night in Toronto.
In the restaurant, they proceeded out of the restaurant, and Blake Griffin, or assistant equipment manager, or member of the equipment staff,
Published coach Doc Rivers told reporters this morning in Indianapolis the team will issue a statement before tonight's game against the Pacers on the
Ran the stop sign. Wow. Crazy. Call the camera. Rolling stop.
Today's quarters, the top seeded Djokovic defeated 7-seeded Shane Initial Corey straight set with recent Federer straight set winner over 16 Thomas Berdych. Texas Tech's Jordan Woodard and Oklahoma's Buddy Hield are 1-2 in the country in three-point field goal shooting percentage. The Red Raiders will visit the top ranked.
Now, here's where shit gets fucking real. We're about to enter the city. Straight up, fuck this shit. People park sideways and shit. I couldn't deal with that. But there's fucking nowhere to go with the snow. It needs to go somewhere. Nah, that's a lazy fucking parking spot by the BMW. And there's a lot of spaces on people's yards that seem not filled up. I mean, that's part of the problem too. I mean, don't be part of the problem, be part of the solution. I mean, there's a couple houses here on the right that's got some of their yards filled up pretty high. I get that down. So, cannot blame them. I mean, how the fuck am I supposed to get down the fucking street? Jesus Christ.
Yesterday is looking to rally the KKK in North Carolina. Take a listen. Hashtag Disney.
Yeah, kids always be playing in the street when you're trying to drive down the street.
You keep seeing if I was evidently trying to start a Klan rally.
Actually, they got out of the way. It's the older kids usually that don't fucking get out of the way.